Hey everyone, it's BrianaLynee. So today I'm going to be trying out this new collection that I got from the Curl Box from Aunt Jackie's, the Grapeseed style and shine recipes. So I've never tried it. I'm starting out on dry, dusty hair, and I'm going to be using the Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo. And honestly, it does just that. So when I put it on, it's not your typical moisturizing shampoo. You can definitely feel your hair being stripped of any buildup, and I had a lot of buildup. Once I was done shampooing, I followed up with the Rescued Thirst-Quenching Recovery Conditioner. So I just used a towel to dry my hair some, and the texture of this deep conditioner is thick. So this can be used as an intense repair treatment. So I'm just going to apply this conditioner throughout my hair and make sure you get those ends. If your hair is dry like mine, get those ends and then you twist it up. And then once you apply it throughout your whole head, I'm going to put a shower cap on. So while I'm applying this, I'm realizing that this conditioner, to me, it didn't have that much slip that I'm used to, but it still did work very well for me. It's making my curls appear, and once I sit under the dryer, my hair will be refreshed. So now that my hair is all dry, I'm going to start with the styling process by using the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. And I'm going to be using my Flexi rods and just doing a Flexi rod set. So what I really liked about this mousse is that it's extremely lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Like some mousses have like a sticky after effect of some sort. Mine didn't have that at all, and so this mousse already is a winner for me. So for my Flexi rods, I just wrap the end of my hair on neatly, and then I just begin to twist in an upward motion. So when you apply your ends to the hair, you roll up, you then roll your hair all the way up, and then once you get to the root, you will secure your Flexi rod by bending the Flexi rod over the root so that your root will be flat. So I'm going to do this over my entire head until all of my hair is done, and then I will sit under the dryer. What I find helpful when I'm doing my Flexi rod sets, which I'm still getting better at because they are difficult to do, at least for me, I use my other hand as a guide when it comes to turning the Flexi rod the way that I'm doing right here. When you use your other hand as a guide, it helps the Flexi rod to twist better. I've seen some people just use one hand. I have not reached that level yet, and that's okay. That's okay. So I'm just about done, and then I sat under the dryer for about an hour and a half, and then the next day, so I did sleep with these in. So the next day I'm taking them out, and my results, you can already see that I have a lot of shine, and I haven't even applied any serum yet. Now that I've taken all of my Flexi rods out, I'll use the Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen. And let me tell you, I love this. It gave my hair some additional gloss, and I applied it to my fingers so when I started to separate the Flexi rod curls that I would have more volume but without the frizz. I use my hair pick and I go ahead and start to fluff, and then I'm just deciding how am I going to style it, and I'm just going to apply 2 bobby pins to each side and create a Fro-Hawk. So at the end it will look like this. So overall, my hair has great hold, great shine, great definition. So I am truly satisfied with these products. So thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And what do you think of this style? Have you tried these products? Be sure to comment what you think down below, and I'll be sure to respond. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace.